In Slides, you can copy slides from one of your presentations and embed them into a new one. When you embed a slide into your presentation, however, you can link it to the original source. This means that when you update the slide in the original presentation, it can be updated easily in the new presentation with just a click of a button. To do this, you will first need to copy the slide in the original presentation you want to embed in the new one. Next, in the new presentation, select Paste from the Edit menu. A pop-up window will open with your link options. Click Link Slides if you want to be able to update this slide to match the original one. You can also choose to not link the slides if you are not concerned with the slides matching. For this lesson, we will select Link Slides. There will be a drop-down menu added to the corner of the embedded slide. When you click this link menu, you will have multiple options. If you have edited the original slide, click Update in this menu, and the new slide will be changed to match the original source. When you click Open Source, the original presentation you copied the slide from will open in a new tab. It is important to note that any collaborators will have these options as well.